So in this video we're going to talk about Google Ads. We show you the back end, what it takes to run a campaign. So now you can see this one of our account. If you take a look at this account, it has 420 clicks, 11,400 impressions. So what it takes to run the campaign, Google Ads show you everything, day, hour, everything. So you can see, if you come here, you drop down, you see the devices. This is mobile, this is tablet, this is computer. As you can see, the mobile has 100%. This one, impression, click, cost, everything. So this balance, this account has $179. So you can see it's very costly, but Google Ad worth it. So when we are talking about the campaign, if you want to create new campaign, you click here, click on create. So what you want to create is campaign. Then click on campaign. So let's wait for it to load. So we have different campaigns here: sales, lead, website traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visit, create campaign without guidance. So our target here is to create app promotion. So click on app promotion. So when you scroll down, you see app install. This is our target. So you people will know that even if you get app install, you can run another campaign to get app engagement and pre-registration. So you can see, if people install your app, there's possibility that you can run another campaign that Google will make them to engage your app. So as they are engaging, admin will be paying you. But you can see, before you can run app engagement, you can see they say minimum of 50,000 install required, meaning you have 50 install before you can run app engagement. So you can see now is app install. So we scroll down. So you can see you can run advert on Android, iOS. So our target is Android because our app is published on either on Amazon App Store or Samsung Play Store. So we are using Android here. So click on Android. Here you type the package name or your app, either the app URL or the name of the app. So for example, I have already run campaign with some of the apps here. So let's say I will select this data cheapest, then I will click on it. But if I want to run different app, I will type the name of the app, or I will get the URL, the link of the app. So now I will enter the app name, the campaign name. So let's say I will just leave it at app promotion 4. Then I will click on continue. So when I click on continue now, like this data cheapest is app that only target Nigerians. So I can Nigerians, but most of the app we build for you people is targeting all the countries, so we leave it on all countries. Then we scroll down, then the English, you leave it on English. Then scroll down, click on more settings. Then you can see we have start date and end date. This is why we want to explain it to you people. We can set start date, but we cannot set end date. There is a reason for that. So click on this pencil. So today is January 5th, 2026. Then we can say the campaign should start on the 8th, because we give it time so that they will monitor the campaign and understand how it works within the 2-3 days. So click on the January 8th. So the end date here, we leave it. The reason we are leaving the end date is the app published on Play Store and connected with Google AdMo. We are going to be making money on it over and over and over again. So no need to set end date. So when we set end date, for example, we said on the 30th of January 2026. Once on the 30th of January 2026 reach, the campaign will stop. Meanwhile, we want to continue promoting our app. Once you have money, we promote over and over and over. So click on next. We are not setting end date. So as you can see now, this is where magic happen. You can see there's a reason why we are doing this video. Most of you say the Google ad is costly, all of this and that, but it has so many advantage. And you can see Google showing the preview how your app advert is going to show. You can see this is display. This how it's going to display. See how it's displaying here. So under search, let's click on search. This, when people come on Google and search your app, this how it's going to display. But before that, let me put the headline. The headline here, they say stay connected. The second one will say buy cheap data. Then the third one I will say best app install now. So as you can see, as I'm entering the headline here, is showing here. You can see where I'm pointing mouse. They are trying to preview how it will look like. Then the description here, I will just add this one, add this one, add this one. I've already set the campaign with this kind of app. So you can see you have selected all the 5 headlines. Then I will come down to descriptions. So now they are asking for description. So just that, buy data and recharge card, best data app. Then you will enter good app in Nigeria. So description like that. So I can see everything here. Then we scroll down. They are asking for how many images? 20 images. So we're going to add the images. The video, they are asking for 20 videos. Then the HTML5, they need it 20. So as you can see, the main reason we are doing this video is to show you how the campaign will work. So as you can see here now, the app is trying to preview. Now you can see they are going to show this app on display, Google search, YouTube. You can see it on Google Play Store. This how is going to show on YouTube. They're trying to preview it. Then Google search, Google display. So after we enter the images, let's come to these images. Come to the images here. We have already designed the 20 images they require. We just pick them. We just select. So after you select them, then we click on save. You can see how it's going to display. So now that is under display. So let's check on Google search. As you can you see that? So data cheapest, Google Play Store, you can see the keywords that we have entered. See the install button. So let's check how it will look like on YouTube. So on YouTube, you can see they are trying to preview the ad. You can see a video supposed to play here. The video we created about the campaign, about the app. You can see the skip button here. They are trying to preview. So let's check on discover. You can see they are trying to preview. You can see the design here. Something supposed to come up here. You can see this sign or advert by Google. Can you see that? So let's check how it will look like on Play Store. Can you see that? They are trying to preview how it will look like on Play Store. It comes with the review. You can see good app in Nigeria. Remember, it's these keywords here that is showing here. You can see the ad here. So when you finish putting everything, you can see the requirement here: image, videos. So and they are giving the ad strength is average. Then we click on next. Then you can see this is where people are. So the volume here is the install. You can see they are asking target cost per install, and they recommend 35 cents, 32 cents rather. And you can see a typical cost per install for other app is 0.32, which they will give you perfect result. So here we will set this here so that we'll get better result. Can you see that? Then once finished, see the budget. So this is where we're going to enter that your $30. You can see that. Then click on next. So they are checking for errors. So you can see now campaign in review. The campaign is review. So you can see campaign is review. Your campaign is ready to publish. So it's under review. You can see how it is. So that is how you run campaign on Google. So this is how Google Ads work, what it takes. When we are asking for requirement, we are not just making noise. So get ready, see more how we can perform. So Google Ads has mobile app. As you set campaign on system, then we go and use their mobile app to see analysis.